Hi, this is Dominic from Paphos Life. I've just been checking out the bridge I discovered by T for 2, and I'm going to wander up to Bar Street now. Ooh. A lot of people out enjoying the waves now, and it looks like the rain's blown over, so we should have a more enjoyable walk, well, from my point of view anyway. I'm going to walk up to the far end of Bar Street and then come back down the dilapidated section. When I'll do another film back to the car featuring St Paul's Pillar and the nicer part of Bar Street, because there is a lot more to Bar Street than just the grotty bit at the end. And even that's, in places at least, getting cleaned up now. There's Pinguino's, very popular place, and rightly so. Right, I'll cross over here. Oh, watch out for the tourist. Now, I'll be walking into the sun, so I don't know what the film quality will be like for the first bit, but I'm filming them because I've never filmed up here before, and it's a bit unfair with all the shops and all that, and they get neglected, so I'll give them a plug as well. There's Costa Coffee there, and Starbucks, as well as Coffee Island. Well, there used to be lots of nice murals down there, but the graffiti idiots seem to have taken over it now. You can see in the trees that the wind's still blowing though. It's the Hotel Annabelle on our right. I think that's a sports bar, yes, just by the banner at the top. Another opticians. Dead Sea Cosmetics. God knows what that entails. Euroscopy Equestrian. That one's closed. Nest Cafe Bar and a kiosk. And after the Annabelle, you get the Almyra Hotel, which is very nice. Really nice food in there as well. I don't know what the Annabelle's food's like. I've never eaten there, but I've eaten in the Almyra, so I could say that. And they're laying pipes at the moment, as you can see. Hopefully I won't be in their way as I walk past. Forgive me if I rush. Now, whether these are sewage pipes or pipes for drainage water, I don't know, but I do know that when it rains heavily in Paphos, it does tend to flood, so perhaps they're dealing with that. Right, we've reached the far end of Bar Street now, and there's T&J's Fish and Chips, and people have been asking where that is. They do very nice fish and chips there. And now you know where it is. And we're coming down onto Bar Street now. This is Keg and Barrel. That's a nice place by all accounts. There's another building up ahead getting the TLC treatment. But already you can see buildings are now, let's say, getting more empty. And in a minute we'll get to the two worst offenders and we'll have a little rummage around in there. Now I won't spend too long in there because I haven't got a gimbal with me and the lighting in there is quite atrocious, so you won't get much of a picture. Or you will, but there'll be a lot of camera wobble, and plus it stinks of pee. So I will just have a quick shifty. But here's the first one, and now even this one has been, it's a lot less ugly than it used to look, believe it or not. There was a lot of rubbish in the downstairs bit, but they've cleared all that out now, and I think people even park their cars in it. We'll have a quick look. And one thing that's worth noting though, though the clubs downstairs are all completely abandoned, there are still flats up above them, which may answer the question, why don't they just knock everything down? But this is the first one. And the first time I was here taking pictures only, the floor here was a complete mess, but somebody's at least cleared that. Now I'll go upstairs to where the loos are. Always a big fan of loos, me. And the picture quality must have deteriorated terribly by now. But that's not too bad. Ooh. Smells not that nice though. A can of beer there, someone's been up here recently. There we go, Lineker's bar this was. I'm sure in its day it was a lovely place, but it is not its day anymore. Power leads everywhere. Oh, I ponged. Now I like urban exploring, but I could definitely do without the whiff. It's like a shower room or something. There's a little staircase going down. Now, I remember when I was filming, not filming, just taking pictures here last time, the room before that, down there, was the worst offender in the smelling of piss stakes, so I'm not going to go down there. Ow! Just banged my head. I'll go back the way we came, so we can go on to the next building. Ooh. I wonder what Gary Lineker would make of this place. There's no evidence that they sold Walker's crisps here, so I don't think he was involved in any way. I could be wrong. Right, that's it. It's nice to get out of there. Now you've got the next building. There's actually two clubs here, I think. That one's missing a staircase, so I won't be going up there. I have to remember when I get up this staircase not to try and go down the other one. Oh, fridges and cookers. Now this staircase doesn't feel that solid. So now it's creaking an awful lot as well, so I'm not going to bother. I don't want to do a film with the A&E department. So let's just go to the next one and see if they got a more solid staircase. There's a staircase in there. Don't even know how you get to it. Just imagine this though in, say 20 years ago. People would be here dancing away, having fun. No more. Suppose I walk on the metal bits, I'll be okay. And go. Floor itself looks solid, so that's good. Yeah. Some nice quality toilets there. There's a mattress up here. I hope no one's been sleeping up here. God. You'd have to be pretty desperate, that's all I can say. There are lots of leaflets here. Let's see what one of them says. Felix cocktail bar for your night out. It's got a date on it. It hasn't, unfortunately. But that's what this place was then. There's a little business card as well. A business card might be interesting. Dionysus Hotel, Hellenic Bank, Almyra Hotel, just the map showing where it is. I was hoping it might show other things like names of nearby places, but that would be just promoting them and they wouldn't want to do that. Right, smells getting bad again, so I think I'll just give that a miss. Looks like someone's been eating there at some point. There's McDonald's wrappers. Whatever poor bugger was keeping in here was found somewhere better to stay now. Yeah, there's a good message. Be human. It's not so much directed at the poor bugger keeping here, but the people who would moan about it without offering any way of helping. Right, now, oh God, fresh air please. Whew. That was grim. And the smell stake. There's a kiosk there that's still open. Now what also is there is that bowling centre. Now I think it's closed, but you can't wander around in it, which is a crying shame, because as I said, I like the urban exploring and I'd love to wander around an old bowling alley. It's up there with abandoned cinemas. There's fascinating places to visit. Right, now though, we're coming to the little roundabout which divides, if you like, Bar Street from the abandoned and the still don't know if it's buzzing or not, but still active. Notorious is still open, and from what I heard, the people who own Notorious are doing up the bar that was next to them as well. This is only through comments I've seen on social media. I haven't heard anything from a verifiable source, but there's certainly something happening there, which is good. And also here. So let's film a bit more of the renovations here, because nice new steps. So whether it's going to be an extension of Notorious or a different bar, I don't know, but something's happening there. And in the next film we're going to walk down that way and see the area of Bar Street that's still vibrant. Okay, cheers.